when I close this door like that, and then I try to turn the deadbolt, the deadbolt isn't aligning with the pre-drilled hole that came in this door. And it's really frustrating because this was the default cutout or mortise that came from the factory for this door. And despite me putting it as far forward as I can, it's still not enough for the deadlock to actually go through where it's supposed to go through. So the only way to get this to properly close is to push. I'm pushing forward and then turning it. We're going to be installing a adjustable strike plate or latch plate. It's got the actual strike plate, and then it has 2 screws, and then it has these 2 washers. It does have a different size from what is already there, so I'm gonna have to use a chisel and open this up a little bit and drill new pilot holes for it. Here is the finished product. So we can open up our door, and now if I just close this, you can see that very easy to do our deadlock now. So mission accomplished, and the adjustable strike plate is to thank for that. So hope this helps. Thanks all for watching, and take it easy, everybody.